This is the simplest way to get OpenCV and face recognition working on a Mac that I can find. The first time I got them both working on my MacBook Pro, it took me about 20 hours of trial and error, reading blogs and watching videos. Most of the videos or blogs are wrong or incomplete. There were all sorts of incompatibility and unexplained errors. I'm using the Big Sur operating system. Here's a list of steps I'm going to show you how to do. Hopefully this will work for you. The first thing to do is to download Xcode on your computer from the App Store. Next, download and install the latest edition of Anaconda Navigator Individual Edition with the graphical user interface. Okay. Open Anaconda Navigator. In the Environments tab, create a new environment. Make sure you use Python 3.6. There are some incompatibility issues between NumPy, OpenCV, and/or Python for newer editions of Python. Next, click on the Update Index button. Search for OpenCV, click on OpenCV and apply. Then apply again. OpenCV is now installed. Now let's install face recognition. Open the terminal, type conda activate, and then put in your new environment, and hit return. Now type the conda command as shown in the video. Now close the terminal. I prefer using Spider 4.2, install and launch. To use OpenCV, type in import CV2. To open face recognition, type import face recognition. Here's a simple program that uses both packages for drawing a box around my face. You can do even much more interesting things like making a facial blood flow monitor. If you look carefully, you can see my pulse. All right, good luck. I hope this works for you.